English on the go, mastering ride-sharing conversations. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to dive into the dynamic world of rideshares like Uber and Lyft. Ride-sharing has become a common part of our daily routines, and it's crucial to know how to handle these situations in English. Let's get started. Ride-sharing is a modern way to travel, where you use an app on your smartphone to book a ride. Companies like Uber and Lyft are popular ride-sharing services. They connect passengers to drivers who use their personal vehicles to provide transportation. Key phrases include, "I need to book an Uber, Lyft. My ride is on the way. The driver has arrived." When you book a ride, there are a few important details to consider: your pickup location, destination, and the type of car you prefer. It's also helpful to know phrases like, "I want to book a ride from location to location. I need a larger car for more passengers. My destination is place." Once you're in the car, you might want to give the driver additional instructions or make small talk. Here are some useful phrases. "Could you take the highway, please? Do you mind if I open the window? How long have you been driving for Uber, Lyft?" At the end of your ride, it's polite to thank your driver. You may also want to leave a review or tip. Here's how you can express this. "Thank you for the ride. I will leave a good review. How do I add a tip on the app?" Sometimes, things may not go as planned. You might need to cancel your ride, your driver may be late, or you could leave something in the car. It's important to communicate these issues effectively. "I need to cancel the ride. My driver is late. I left my phone in the car." And that's a wrap. Now you're equipped with the essential English phrases for navigating rideshares like Uber and Lyft. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these phrases in your daily life. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson on mastering conversational English. Safe travels, everyone!